Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Postmates delivery app. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Postmates application. So once you open the application, you're gonna be right here in the homepage. So once you're here in the homepage, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find some available restaurants, for example, and here you're gonna find some categories. So there is the deals category, the grocery, convenience, alcohol, pharmacy, baby, specialty food, pet supplies, flowers, retail, sandwich, American, and so on. So just go ahead and choose any category that suits you. For example, we're going to choose grocery. So once you click on grocery, you're going to be right here and you're going to find some featured stores like Erewhon, Vons, Pavilions, and so on. Just choose the store that you want to buy from. And then I'm going to be right here. You're going to find all of the items that you can order. For example, a banana. So once you add it to the cart, you can go to view cart and then you can click go to checkout and then you can pay your order, add a payment method and then order your item. So beside the home page, you're going to find another page which is browse. So from here you can search for anything that you want. For example, sushi. If you go here and type sushi, you're gonna find it. So if you go to cart, you're gonna find all the items that are added to your cart. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find accounts where you're gonna find all of the settings related to your account. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.